Hello, my name is Noah Daniels, enrolled agent here at Advanced Tax Relief, and thanks for listening to this video clip. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 things an IRS auditor looks for when auditing a small business. So, if you own a small business, or if you know someone that owns a small business, or if you're planning on owning a small business someday, then you need to know about these 3 things that the IRS looks for when auditing a small business. Okay, 3 things. Number one, did you report all of your sales, receipts, and business income? Okay, now if you know that you forgot to report significant business income like $10,000 or more, then you need to be hiring advanced tax relief. You need to be calling us ASAP. Our number is 1-800-790-8574, and just remove yourself from the process altogether. Let us handle it, because for your own safety, if the IRS auditor feels that you intentionally did not report your business income and significant business income, then they can refer your case for criminal investigation. And trust me, you don't want your case getting forwarded for criminal investigation. So if you forgot, or if you did not report significant amount of your business income, like $10,000 or more, then you need to be contacting us ASAP. Number two, did you write off personal living expenses as business expenses? Now, the IRS knows that every small-time operator has likely claimed a personal expense as a business one. For little things, the IRS won't get too excited. But if you deducted a major expense, like let's just say, for example, $2,000 on repairs on a motorhome, during a trip to a national park, or whatever expense that the IRS considers significant, then they'll disallow this expense and add tax penalties, to your bill. So if you're a small time business operator, then you need to be careful, deduct business expenses, for business expenses. Do not mix your personal expenses, with your business expenses, for your own safety. Now, number three. Now, did you hire employees and classify them as independent contractors? So you know what I mean, independent contractors, where you actually employee, but instead got a 1099 when you're supposed to get a W-2. Now, this is another thing that IRS auditors look for when auditing a small business. So, if you happen to, if you plan on opening a small business someday, or if you own a small business right now, then you need to classify your employees as they're supposed to be. Okay, just to avoid, further problems or issues down the line. So these are 3 things that IRS auditors look for when auditing a small business. So if you own a small business, then you need to take note of these 3 things. Try to avoid them, and you should be okay. Okay, and just keep good records and deduct business expenses as business expenses, and don't mix your personal expenses with business expenses. Okay. Have a nice day. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-790-8574. Advanced Tax Relief is a BBB accredited business. Our tax attorneys, enrolled agents, and tax consultants will make sure your tax problems is resolved or settled. So give us a call, okay? 1-800-790-8574. Thanks, and have a nice day.